All right, I got to get this thing put together, and I need to find some screws to get the power supply in there, and then we're gonna put that board in there, like I already said. So the guy that built that computer passed away probably 2 years after he built it, from what I can tell, and it had some issues and stuff, and I guess his wife donated it. So we're gonna repurpose that board and get it in this case, and we'll put the most RAM we can put in it. So I'm gonna get this situated over here. Alright, I scrounged up some screws. I got that in there. They had this odd little piece here. Like the way it goes is right down in there. And it comes up over here, but we've got stuff coming out of this thing over here, so I don't really want it in there. And I don't see that it's going to be that important because we're screwed down on here. So it sits in between that piece right there and that piece right there, against that side and against that side. But it's cool that they did that, but look, everything is such thin, crappy ass metal. I mean, that's the problem with this case. It's just too thin. But it's okay. It'll look good when we're done. We get the EVGA. It's a nice looking power supply. 80 plus gold. Spiders crawling on the floor. Alright, let's get this board in here. Well, hopefully we can. But I have to pull some parts out of another case. You would not believe how heavy this motherboard is. The metal on the back of this board is thicker than the metal on this stupid case. Now, we aren't sitting pretty in here because we don't have all the pins. There's a button here. That is what it's going to look like. We're missing the pins here. We're missing the pins there. We have a center locating pin here. And we got one here. And I think we got one. We got two that there for sure. So we need one there. One there. How many do I need? I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,